how's it going? Motor Dragon here again, back with another vlog, pretty much where I started my last vlog. And again, if you guys haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. A huge percentage of you that watch this video are not subscribed, so I would appreciate it if you did so. Also go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, which is @moto.dragon. And that's pretty much all the social media I use. I have this guy, his mum gonna go any faster. I have Facebook, but I don't really use it. Who uses Facebook anymore? But man, is it cold today. It's such a beautiful day. It's like the 24th of October. So it's most definitely autumn/fall. And currently, Ireland, we're in the middle of level 5 lockdown again. So basically, we're only allowed out for essential journeys. So shopping, school, essential work, etc. However, I'm going up to see my mum, who lives on her own. So I am perfectly within the government COVID guidelines. I decided to take the bike because I haven't been on it. When do I get to go out on it? So I head up to my mum on some twisty roads because it's nice and dry, thankfully. And then I also might stop in at my dad because he got himself a new beast yesterday. He got a 2010 VF4 1200. It's beautiful. Really happy for him because he's been wanting a new bike for ages. You've seen me ride his Veradero 1000 in a few videos, and he really hated that bike. You know, he liked it for what it was, but it just, before that he had a Blackbird and it just wasn't the same. So at least the VF4 is going to be fairly similar. You know, good power, comfortable, just feels and looks very similar to the Blackbird. So I think he's quite happy. But anyway, this video is not about all this. Of course I got to go up to a red light now. I also noticed that my crash bung on this side is, you can move it with your hand. So I need to look at that. Sound man. Thank you. This video, the title already is probably going to be very weird, but I just want to clarify, I am in no way lessening the seriousness of COVID-19. I personally know people that have had it. My auntie's mother died from it. My sister is literally just over. She lives in America. She's just over COVID. My mother had it and my grandmother had it. So, I know what it's like. I've seen them. Thankfully I haven't got it. But in a weird way, COVID and everything that's kind of happened has been such a break what I needed. It's very weird to explain. But essentially, I've been working from home since March. And, obviously I do YouTube and all that stuff. So, I would consider myself quite social. I love meeting people, talking to people, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. But, man, do I love work from home. It's amazing. It's so, so good. You don't have to worry about people bothering you all the time, coming up to your desk. Also depending on your work. But I always have people coming up to my desk. You have managers overlooking your shoulder. Some people love micromanaging, so can't really get around that. You turning right from there, it's very weird. But yeah, I missed the social part, but man, work from home has been exactly what I needed. So basically, my commute from work is a pain in the hole. It's the same commute that I've been doing since college. So I've been doing the same commute for about 8 or 9 years, and now because of working, these lights staying green for ages. I was getting up at 5:10 to get into work for 7:30, but it brought me in. I was getting lifts in with my father, so I'd be in work about 6 o'clock. So I had to wait around for an hour and a bit to clock in, finish at 4 o'clock, and then this fucking moonwalker there enjoying his little space mission. and I wouldn't be home until like, could be 6, could be after 6. And I was getting so sick of it. And you know, I enjoy my job and I love the people I work with. Well, most of them, kind of like everything. But I was getting sick of the commute. I was, you know, so tired, and I was like, I just, you know, because I'm so young, I like to think of myself as fairly like level-headed, and I don't know, my thoughts are very mature sometimes. Not all the time, sometimes. But I was like, you know, I don't want to see myself doing this commute for the next, or for the rest of my life, really, you know. That just doesn't seem fun to me, you know. It's so much of my life was wasted in sitting in the car. So because of COVID and the pandemic, I'm working from home strictly. I haven't been in the office since mid-March. I don't miss the office at all. And I just love being able to work from home. I don't have to get, like, so for me to be in for work for 7:30, I get up at 7:15. Like, it's just, it's so good. It's amazing. Now, in fairness, I do find myself being slightly more tired, and obviously that is because when I was getting up at 5:10, I was like up and I was doing stuff. You know, I was waiting, so like normally I'd walk around town, grab myself a coffee, and then head into work. So I was up and, you know, keeping active. But now I'm literally up to my desk and then done, and I might head out, or I might clock off and, you know, play PlayStation. So I'm really doing nothing. But you know, personally for me, this is exactly what I needed. I just needed to work from home. I just needed to not commute. It's been so amazing. That's why I was like, it's weird, like I'm not thankful for COVID. Like, it's so shit that it actually happened. It still doesn't feel real. It feels like it's like a video game or in a movie or something. But for me, being able to work from home, I'm so thankful. It's what I needed. Otherwise, I probably would have gone into a job that I probably didn't enjoy, closer to home. And you know, my jobs, like my type of job, there's, as I said the last time, I'm a software engineer and software tester. They don't really have them around my area. They have pretty much none around my area. So it's a nice twisty road, baby. Poppy. Well, what do you guys think? For any of you guys that have had to have been, you know, adjust to work from home, what do you guys think of it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? You know, at the start I absolutely hate it. I was like, oh, I don't actually like this. But you know, I am a real self-starter, you know, and I'm able to just do my work, and I'm actually doing more work from home. Because if something needs to be done, I can just wait around. I can clock back in the evening. It doesn't make a difference to me, you know. Like, living in Drogheda and working in the middle of Dublin, you know, if something needed to be done, you know, I'm out the door at 4 o'clock. Tough shit. I have to get my my lift home. And especially now, like if I was in the office, the last thing I'd be doing would be getting public transport, you know. That's a big no. For, you know, for an hour and a half sitting on the bus with other people, no thanks. Even with masks, no, I'm okay. Some of these roads, a bit of these bends are quite on the wet side. I think I can continue on straight, but I don't actually know where that leads, so I'm gonna go the way I know. For any of you that have had to adjust and work from home, what do you think of it? Are you enjoying it? Are you hating it? Could you not really care? See, like, so I do, like, I actually do consultancy work, so I'm contracted with companies, and obviously I can't say who, but it's not a small company, not really a company, but it's not a small contract, put it that way. It's quite a massive contract, and they don't allow, for security reasons, they don't allow anyone to work from home. Even their own staff, they don't really want them work from home. So now that they're all like, right, well, everyone has to work from home, and that the main fella actually addressed it and said how like amazed he was at the level of work that was getting done, so it's a real good thing. And you know, I wouldn't mind continuing to work from home, you know, maybe going up to the office once a week once every 2 weeks, you know, to do certain stuff, meet certain people, you know, something like, because you know, we have to have like our Skype meetings and all that stuff, and you do miss just a face-to-face interaction. You know, I'm the type of person that really loves to you know, make jokes whenever I can, and not like stupid jokes, well actually they are stupid, but you know, not like make light of a situation, but when something's really serious, I like just having a laugh at people, and I vibe off other people's energy. And on Skype and everything, especially when people don't have their cameras on, like, you can't really vibe off anyone's energy. I know there's a lot of like negativity and all with COVID, and you know, once you mention anything about COVID, there's some people that get really defensive, but look guys, we've to live with it, unfortunately, and it's going to be with us for a while, so just off and learn to live with it, pretty much, you know. Just we gotta stay together. And also, actually, just want to add, while I'm on the topic of COVID, my subscribers are the ones that are in the protests. Please do me a favor and unsub and fuck off. Stop being such an idiot. For anyone that's not in Ireland, pretty much we have these, you know, anti-lockdown protesters, which I say is everywhere at the moment in every country. But it's just like, you know, they're all together, thousands of them, no masks. It's like, what are you doing? Use it a reason why we're here. So yeah, that's all my little ranty piece. I needed to get a bit out, because I know there's probably gonna be some people that will moan at me in the comments, but look, I don't care, we're in this together. But anyway guys, like, that is the video. I hope all of you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I'll talk to you on the next video.